Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to tell you the Xenea Wallet quiz answer on June 29, 2025. So what you have to do is for you to go over to ongoing June campaign and go over to claim your daily bonus, and when you are done with that you can go over to the daily quiz and go over to start quiz. So daily quiz on June 29, the question is: a side chain is a depreciated synonym for shading technologies. B, a validator node that operates on standby nodes. C, a second thread of blocks inside one chain header structure. D, a parallel blockchain pegged to a main chain for asset transfer. So the answer here is D, which is a parallel blockchain pegged to a main chain for asset transfer. So let me go over to it. So you have to do next for you to go over to submit and say correct, you got margin. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.